equals my Thermomix TM5 won't start at all. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The issue could be due to a faulty board that needs replacement. We'll diagnose it thoroughly and ensure everything is working smoothly once we fix it. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.